parts that make your car consume a lot of fuel. The computer only detects the sensors that send signals for the computer to interpret. What does this mean? That mechanical devices are not detected by the computer, so when we connect the scanner, no reference code will come out, while the car will continue consuming gas and having problems. One of the first problems and the first parts we should check would be the catalytic converter. When the catalytic converter is blocked, the fuel does not burn in the right way because the gasoline mixes with the air. This is due to poor combustion. Number 2, the spark plugs. This is a key part in the vehicle because it is responsible for generating the spark to produce internal combustion in our car. If it has any failure or is not in good condition, this process will not be carried out properly and the car will start consuming more gasoline. By third option, we will have the battery. If the battery of our car is not working properly, it will waste more gasoline because the spark plug does not get enough energy to spark the spark to make the internal combustion inside the engine. Number 4, temperature sensor. The higher gasoline expense can also be related to the cooling sensors of our car. When these are damaged, the computer can interpret that the engine is too cold, causing it to inject more gasoline, and in turn that much more fuel is spent. Number 5, the oxygen sensor. This part is responsible for monitoring the amount of oxygen in the exhaust and is adjusted by the signals it sends to the computer. If the oxygen sensor is varied, the computer will not receive the signal, it will inject more gasoline because it lacks oxygen. It will generate problems such as fuel consumption. Finally, we will have the tires. The tires, when they have little air, make the fuel consumption is higher because it increases the contact surface with the ground. Also, this may be that the wheels of the car are not well aligned, so it will generate wear on the wheels apart from fuel consumption. Now you know the reason why when we connect the scanner does not throw any code, and it is because it is due to mechanical failures. For this reason, it is so complicated to get the faults if we do not know enough about the problems that may have such parts. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any fault related to this or other problems, let me know in the comments to help you. If you want to know more about automotive maintenance and all the faults of the car, I invite you to our course that I will be leaving it in an anchored link. Do not miss it.